Hello guys, I'm read the article by Kaniska Sings. Washington Reuters. President Joe Biden, who tested positive for COVID-19 on Thursday, is improving in health and none of his 17 intimate close contacts have so far tested positive for the coronavirus, White House COVID coordinator Assis GHA said on Sunday. GHA told ABC News Biden has had a great day yesterday, was feeling well, and that Biden's close contact were continuing to follow the protocols of the U.S. Centers of Disease Control the Prevention. Biden, 79, had mild symptoms, according to the White House. His diagnosis came as a highly contagious subvariant of the coronavirus drives a new wave of cases in the United States. GHA told CBS News on Sunday that Biden likely has that BA.5 variant and that he had an upper respiratory infection. I checked in with his team last night. He was feeling well. He had a good day yesterday. He's got a viral syndrome and upper respiratory infection. That is, and he's doing just fine. GHA told CBS News. The White House has sought to underscore Biden's ability to work through his illness. On Thursday, it released a video of him assuring Americans he was doing fine, and on Friday, he participated in virtual meetings with White House staff. The White House has not said where Biden contracted the virus. He recently returned from a trip to the Middle East and held public events before that trip in which he had close personal interaction with scores of people. Biden's diagnosis is the latest challenge he has faced amid threats and high inflation, putting his fellow Democrats at risk of losing control of Congress in the November midterm elections. Here are some of the troubles affecting the economy, which was hit particularly hard by the COVID-19 pandemic due to its reliance on tourism. Government finance strains on Tunisia public finance have led to delays in state salaries and difficulties in paying for wheat imports. The budget deficit is expected to 1 to 9.7% of GDP this year from a previously forecast 6.7%. Central Bank Governor Marion Abbasi has said. This is due to a stronger dollar and sharp rise in grain and energy price. Knock-on effect of the Ukraine war that Abbasi has said have garnered an additional $1.6 billion of financing needs. State finance were already stretched by one of the highest public sector wage bill in the world compared to size of the economy and heavy spending on imported energy and food subsidies. A weaker Tunisian dinar has added to the pressure. The currency weakened to 3.18 dinars to the dollar in the 12 months, the July 14, a 13.2% decline. The government hopes to secure a $4 billion IMF loan in exchange for freezing public sector wage and recruitment, the cutting food and energy subsidies. But the powerful UGWT labor union opposes the reforms, a significant obstacle. Thank you. That's all from me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment this video. Thank you.